Hello, happy morning, students. How are you? I'm fine. I'm greeting you for the new class for the year 2020-2021. I am your science teacher. I'm going to teach a new lesson from biology portion, that is Unit 4. Before that, I want to give some introduction to you. Biology is a natural science concerned with the study of life and living organisms, including their structure and functions. The living world comprises of plants and animals. Plants can prepare food by itself, grow in size and reproduce. Various parts of plants are used as food, medicine, wood, and shelter. Under this lesson, we are going to learn under the title The Living World of Plants. The lesson Living World of Plants is subdivided into three subunits: plant forms and functions, habitat, and plant adaptations and modifications. Today in this class, we are going to learn only about plant forms and functions. Our body is made up of many organs. Similarly, the plant body is also made up of several organs such as root system, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits, etc. Plants are of many forms and many colors, yet they are all have stems, leaves above the ground which can be seen easily, and root below the ground. A flowering plant consists of two main parts. Once again, I will repeat. A flowering plant consists of two main parts. They are root system and shoot system. You can refer the picture. The plant body is consists of two main parts, that is root system and shoot system. The part which grow below the ground is called root system. The part which grow above the ground is called shoot system. In shoot system, so many parts you can able to see in the picture. That is, you can able to see the stem, then leaf, flower, fruit, bud, node and internode. Like that, the shoot system got so many parts. Now let us learn about separately the root system as well as shoot system. The first topic here you are going to learn is about root. The underground part of main axis of a plant is known as root. It lies below the surface of the soil. Root has no nodes and internodes. It has a root cap at the tip. A tuft of root hair is found just above the root tip. Roots are positively geotrophic in nature. That means root is growing towards the earth, towards the ground. Now, the root system is classified into two types. One is taproot system, another one is fibrous root system. You can refer the picture and you can able to understand taproot system and fibrous root system. First, let us learn about taproot system. You can able to see the picture. In the middle, you can see the pink color part, that is called primary or taproot. From that, you can able to see the lateral roots, secondary roots, tertiary roots, and rootlets. This type of roots we can able to see only in dicotyledonous plants. Example, bean, mango, neem, etc. Second one is fibrous root. Look at the picture. It's a picture of a grass. Here you can able to see the fibrous roots. Fibrous root system consists of a cluster of roots arising from the base of the stem. They are thin and uniform in size. It is generally seen in monocotyledonous plants. Example, grass, paddy, maize, etc. Now let us have a comparison between or difference between monocotyledons and dicotyledons. These are all the extra points for you. You have to know what do you mean monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous. When you refer the monocotyledonous seed, you can able to see only one cotyledon. Only one cotyledon is found inside the seed. The second is when you refer the leaves are long and narrow. The veins are parallel. Next, when you refer the vascular system means xylem and phloem. These are the two organs sending food and water to different parts of the plant. Xylem is transporting water to all parts of the plant. Phloem is transporting food to all parts of the plant. Next, when you refer the floral parts, the sepal, petal, all these are the floral parts. They are tree or multiples of tree. Now come to dicotyledons. When you open the seed coat, take a seed and open the seed coat. Inside you can able to see two cotyledons. You can able to see two cotyledons. When you refer the leaves of a dicotyledonous plant, the leaves are broad in size. The veins are reticulate venation, that is network of veins you can able to see. When you refer the vascular bundles, they are found in a ring. The last one, when you refer the floral parts, it is 4 or 5, multiples of 4 or 5. That's all about the difference between the monocotyledonous plants and dicotyledonous plants. Next, let us learn about the functions of root system. The first and foremost function is fixes the plant to the soil. Fixes very tightly and hold the plants in the soil. Next one, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The third point, some roots stores food. For example, carrot, beetroot, etc. These are all about root system. Next, before we go, I want to ask one question. You have to look at the picture and guess it and tell, are these root or stem? There are four examples are given. You have to observe the picture and you have to guess, are these roots or stem? Anybody can be able to tell? Please tell. Okay. One or two students can be able to answer. Very good. Carry on. Now, I want to explain that there are 4 types of underground stem. These are all not root. Even though it grow below the soil, they are called as underground stem. Here the rhizome, there are 4 types. One is rhizome. Example is ginger. Next one is bulb. Example is onion. The next one is corn. The example is colocasia. Next one, that is tuber. The example is potato. Now let us pass on to the second portion of a plant, that is shoot system. The aerial parts of the plant body above the ground is known as shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now, the stem is the main axis of the shoot system is called the stem. Stem grows above the soil and grows towards the sunlight. It has nodes and internodes. Nodes are the parts of stem from which leaves arise. The parts between two successive nodes is called internode. Buds at the tip of the stem is known as apical or terminal bud. And the buds at the axils of the leaves are called axillary buds. You can refer all this in this picture. You can able to see the node, internode, axillary bud and apical bud or terminal bud. Next one, you are going to learn the functions of the stem. The stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem transports water and minerals from the roots to upper aerial plant parts. Here I want to tell about xylem. Xylem is the part which transports water to all parts of the plant. This already I told under the vascular bundle. Next point is transports the prepared food from leaves to other parts through stem. Here the food is transport only through the vascular bundle called phloem. Phloem transports food to different parts of the plant. In some plants, it can be able to store food. For example, sugarcane. Already you learn about underground stems, that is onion, ginger, potato, etc. Next, let us learn about structure of a leaf. Leaf is a green, flat, expanded structure grow on the stem at the node. Now look at the picture. We can able to know all the parts of the leaf. A leaf has a stalk called petiole. A leaf has a stalk called petiole. The flat portion of the leaf is called leaf lamina or leaf blade. Have you all able to follow me? You look at the picture, you can able to understand. On the lamina, there is a main vein called midrib. In the center of the leaf, one thick portion is there, that is called midrib. Other veins are branched out from the midrib. The portion of the leaf connected in the nodal region of the stem is known as the leaf base. Leaves of some plants possess a pair of lateral growth on the base on either side of axillary bud. These are called stipules. Children, can you able to see the stipules in this picture? Okay, good. These are the main parts of a leaf. Once again, I'll repeat that. Petiole, lamina or blade, midrib, veins, stipules. Are you all clear? Next. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of green colored pigment called chlorophyll. Due to the presence of the chlorophyll, the leaves are green in color. One more thing, on the lower side of the leaf, there are tiny pores or openings. known as stomata. The stomata are responsible for respiration and transpiration. That's all about leaf. Now let us learn the functions of leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant. That process is called photosynthesis. I want to explain the process photosynthesis. Photo means light. Only with the presence of the sunlight, plants can able to make or prepare or manufacture their own food. See the first picture, the arrow mark is go inside. The one arrow mark is goes outside. See, light, sunlight. The leaves are observing light from the sun. Next, through the stomata, carbon dioxide is entering into the plant. Below you can able to see the arrow water. With the help of these three things, the leaf is having the green color. The plant can able to, not plant, the leaves can able to prepare their food. The formula is given 6 CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. 6 H2O. H2O means water. Carbon dioxide and water react together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It can manufacture glucose and oxygen. So while preparing starch or while preparing glucose or while manufacturing food, the leaves can release oxygen. In this way, the leaves are purifying the air. It takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Next one is the leaves can help in respiration. Already I told stomata, lower side of the leaf, there are small openings. Through this small openings, they can take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Respiration means observing oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is also carried out only through the stomata. They are found on the lower side of the leaves. The last one, that is transpiration. Transpiration means root is observing excess quantity of water. The excess water is released from the plant body only with the help of the stomata. This picture is clearly explaining you water travels up through the plant and water vapor is released from the leaves through the stomata. So the function is prepare food, do the process respiration, another process transpiration is also takes place with the help of the leaf. Next, let us learn some classification of plants. Based on flower, plants are classified into two main groups. One is flowering plants and the other one is non-flowering plant. In the picture you can able to see a lot of flowers are arise from that particular plant. So this is a flowering plant. Another one is non-flowering plant. In this plants no flower arises, so they are called as non-flowering plant. Next one, based on the presence of seed, plants can be divided into two groups, that is angiosperms and gymnosperms. Based on the presence of seed, angiosperms and gymnosperms. Plants can be divided into two groups, that is angiosperms and gymnosperms. Angiosperms means seeds enclosed within a fruit. Look at the picture. Inside each and every fruit there are seeds. Seeds are enclosed. They are called angiosperms. In the next picture, the pine, here seeds are not enclosed within a fruit. That is called gymnosperm. Like that, these are the points you learn under the subheading plant forms and functions. Few assignments are given at the end of the lesson, that also you have to do it and excel well in this lesson. Wish you all the best. Thank you, students.